Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's been doing well, especially with everything that's been going on in the world. You know, ever since we've been under this whole global quarantine, I've been trying to make sure that I keep my curls nice and maintained. Yes, even while I'm at home, because of course I want my curls to remain healthy at all times. One thing that's been really helpful is refreshing my hair and extending my wash and goes. So today I'm going to show you my curl refresh routine featuring TréLuxe. So obviously this is an old wash and go, and I want to say this was on day 4 or maybe day 5. I don't know. It's hard to keep up with the days now. They just all seem to roll together. Anyways, you can tell my hair is a little stretched from being up in a bun for so many days. And I did use all TréLuxe products for this wash and go. So in the description box, I'll let you guys know what I use. But right now, I'm just splitting my hair into 3 different sections, getting ready to revive this old wash and go. To reactivate the products that I used in my wash and go, I'm going to be using water, and then I'm also going to be taking this Reflex Curl Styling Serum by TréLuxe. And this product has aloe leaf juice, coconut water, and grapeseed extract, and it also contains amino acids which help to hydrate, strengthen, and define your curls. So for me, it's really beneficial because not only do I get the moisture that I'm looking for, but it also kind of redefines my curls at the same time, all in one product. So of course I'm spraying my hair with some water first, and I'm not completely drenching my hair with water. I'm just more so making my hair damp, just like I said, to kind of reactivate the products that I used on day 1. And yeah, so I don't want to be waiting around forever to air dry. So yeah, I'm just making sure my hair is nicely coated with water but damp. And then I'm going to be taking a good portion of serum, not too much. You can see it's very runny. But I really love this serum in particular because normally serums aren't really meant for definition, but this one by TréLuxe seems to work really well. Plus I like the consistency. It's very silky, which makes for easy detangling, especially on an old wash and go like mine, because like I said, it's been like 4 or 5 days for this wash and go and my hair was very dry, so it added some moisture back to my hair. So I really love this product. But yeah, I'm just making sure I'm raking that product all the way through the ends for even distribution. And yeah, I'm going to be repeating this same process on the other 2 sections, and I'm going to speed it up because it is a little bit repetitive. But yeah, hopefully you guys can catch what I'm doing. I mean, it's really simple. It's not really that hard at all. I'm just spraying water on each section and then going in with that serum. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys know I've been rocking with TréLuxe for a couple of years now, so if you still haven't tried them out yet, I definitely recommend this brand. One of my favorite products to use is the serum that I'm using because, like I said, it gives me everything that I'm looking for in one product. But of course, I do love all their other products as well, and they work really great for me. I like to focus a little bit more attention on the top part of my hair, basically like the crown and the front of my hair, just because that's the part of the hair that's shown. So I'm really taking my time to smooth that product out and just make sure everything is nice and defined. So after applying the Reflex Curl Styling Serum to all 3 sections, what I'm doing now is scrunching my curls to kind of encourage more definition and to kind of get the curls forming again. I also like to tilt my head to each side just to make sure that my hair isn't sticking to my scalp while it dries. And the last thing that I'm doing is taking a little bit more of that serum and smoothing it on my edges. Not necessarily to lay down my baby hairs, but just to kind of, you know, make them look decent. And here I'm just going in with my edges brush to brush my baby hairs and make everything look tidy. Some of you know by now that TréLuxe is available at Walgreens stores, so if you're in need of hair products or you want to just restock, now's the perfect time because right now there's a buy two get one free sale going on at Walgreens. So while you're out shopping for essential items, you can also get your hair goodies to make sure you stay on top of your hair game. Or if you want to safely shop online at home, TréLuxe is offering free shipping all month long on their website, so if you're interested, I'll link it below. So this is the final look after air drying for about 2 hours while I was out doing some grocery shopping. But yeah, my hair turned out really nice and defined and moisturized. So I'm really glad that this curl refresh routine works for me. It's very simple and I encourage you guys all to try it. Special thank you to TréLuxe for sponsoring this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!